So this is the grading criteria, and we will go to insert the formula. That's if formula is equal to if, then simply go to the condition. If 80%, if this percentage is greater than or equal to 80, then it should show a plus. And then similarly, what is another condition? So that's for a grade. Then if the percentage is greater than or equal to 70 percentage, then the system should show us a grade. Similarly for the other values as well, if the third condition is for b grade. That's if percentage is greater than or equal to 60 percentage, then it should show b grade. Then similarly for c grade, if condition would be applied, the percentage is greater than or equal to 50 percentage, it should simply show us c grade. Else if these conditions are not meeting, then what would be the else condition? That's else d. Okay, then we should simply insert d there, then bracket close all for all the options, then we'll press enter. And after press enter, then we see this thing has been done. We scroll down for all the values, and this is how we done it. Thank you so much for watching the video. Subscribe for more short videos like this.